Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing something extra silly. Peppa Pig's funniest try not to laugh moments. In this video, Peppa, George, and even Daddy Pig get into the silliest situations ever. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! And if you love drawing and fun stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Peppa Pig wakes up and says, let's make the funniest game today. Grab your crayons, gather round, we'll draw the giggles that we found. Peppa calls George, Susie too, try not to laugh, let's see who's who. They draw a scoreboard on the ground, color stars for every round. Daddy Pig comes marching in, silly glasses, giant grin. Peppa whispers, hold it tight, if you laugh you lose the fight. Peppa in the challenge goes, don't laugh now, don't laugh now, don't laugh now. Peppa in the challenge goes, don't laugh now, all game long. But the giggles in the room go ha ha ha, ha 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 ha. All the little giggles go ha 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 in the laughing game. George makes faces super big, Snorty squeals like a dancing pig. Peppa colors lightning fast, trying hard not to laugh out loud. Susie, she pretends to slip, falls like jelly, flips and flips. Peppa tries to draw a line, but she's laughing all the time. Who can draw a silly face? We can draw in any place. Who can color jokes so bright? We color fun with all our might. Who can hurt their laugh inside? Not us. We snort with pride. Can you win this challenge too? We try, but laughing's what we do. Daddy Pig tells one last joke. Peppa tries, snort, and chokes. George bursts out in silly squeals. Everyone falls head over heels. They color trophies, shiny gold, laughing stories to be told. Peppa says, we didn't win, but laughing is the best thing. Peppa in the challenge goes, yay, 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 yay. Peppa in the challenge goes, yay, yay, yay. We laughed all day long, and the kids on the floor go draw and color, draw and color, draw and color. Kids on the floor go draw and color, where the giggles stay. Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep laughing big.
Wow, you did amazing today! We drew Peppa in her Try Not to Laugh adventure and learned that even silly mistakes can bring the best giggles. If you love music and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you soon, friends! Bye!